I'm Marilyn Blackmore. I'm from the Philippines, but I came from the United States 2008. I married an American, and I'm 58 years old. I live here in Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm still working right now, but just part-time in a facility, just like nursing assistant. I'm diabetic. When I had my mammogram, they emailed to me that I need another mammogram. So when I came back after 3 weeks, I went to have another mammogram, but still they could see the abnormality there. So the doctor advised for biopsy. I was crying the whole day, even I was in the Philippines, but I'm a fighter. I said, my God, is this the end? Tumawag yung doktor. Sabi niya, most of my patients, it turned like malignant. So you're so lucky. Yung dati po, inaantok ka, tapos palagi akong nahihilo. Nung narinig ko nga itong JC Barley, sabi lang, try it. I heard that it's anti-cancer also. I told my husband, maybe because of the barley, meron akong sensor na pang-check ng blood sugar ko, freestyle. What have you been doing? You lose weight, and then your blood work turned normal, and my A1C went down. I'm taking barley, food supplements from New Zealand. It's organic. Instead of every 3 months na magkikita tayo, sabi niya, I want you to come here 4 to 5 months and bring the box for the JC Premier Organic Barley. So nag-try po ako. Ang pakiramdam ko po, naging active po ako, hindi na ako antukin. Sa work ko, sabi lang, Marilyn, are you okay? Kasi minsan naantok talaga ako, ma'am, yung mga 9 o'clock at 10 o'clock. Sa mga kababayan ko, mga Bisaya, ang barley maayos atong lawas. Believe lang sa kuha. Kada user yun ko sa JC Barley. Maayo jud siya, katabang kay sa tuwa, kay daghan kay mga sa atong mga gibati karon. Barley para na ako makatabang jud. Makatabang kay diabetic ko, nag-lose weight ko, normal na kayong akong blood work karon, nalipay akong ikakuan ninyo. Try our JC Barley kay gusto ko kamo malipay po sa inyong panginabuhi nga wala na mo'y gibati. Tanan nawala, hasta akong high blood nawala. Try our product.